Get that rope. Good girl, drop.
And got the car back at the same time?
Damn, look at that big scratch.
Bro, but I'm telling you, that thing, there ain't a fucking squeak on it.
Yeah.
Like, I think they put all the new belts and new AC and all of that shit to where that shit, everything is working.
Yeah.
I just never would have. I didn't think. Yeah. I didn't think it was gonna come back and that good as shit. Right. From a little
Work.
He was like,
Get it, drop. Work. Good girl, work.